Let's discover together Friction Stir Welding by Stirweld, France. The clamping operation has an impact on your weld quality and production rate. The clamping tool is designed according to the geometry, number of clamps, clamping force, tool wear, and tool path. Parameters are set for the friction stir welding directly from the tool machine. The quality assurance, the control interface, offers recording of forging force and displays process adjustment controls. The tool is rotated and dips vertically into the material. After the temperature stabilization phase, the tool moves along the wet seam. The speed is constant and depends on the thickness of the component. At the end of the weld, the tool rises vertically, leaving a hole. It shouldn't be seen as a defect, and many solutions exist to solve this. Stir welding has a lot of advantages. It allows welding of all aluminum alloys, and the products have high mechanical resistance. The seam is watertight, airtight, and acid resistant. It also has an excellent thermal and electrical conduction. Stirweld aims to democratize the friction stir welding by the drastic reduction of the investment cost, the quality products, and the low cost of friction stir welding tools. Stirweld Friction Stir Welding is now accessible. Visit us at www.stirweld.com.